Stop scrolling if you have ever felt like your living room is missing that one thing. The perfect touch of soul, texture, and I never want to leave this couch energy. Then you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of luxury crochet cushion designs. Forget what you think you know about grandma's hobby. We are talking about high fashion tactile art that is taking Etsy and Shopify by storm. Whether you are decorating, looking for the perfect piece, or a maker looking for your best next seller, stick around. I have created the top trend that are selling out right now. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which style belong in your cart or on your crochet hook. First up, let's talk about this candy boho vibe. In a world of digital noise, people are craving simplicity. These designs rely on thick, high quality wool and oversized stitches. Think chunky wool, clean lines, and a palette of creams, oatmeals, and sage greens. Why are these selling so well on Shopify? Because they look expensive, this screams quiet luxury. These cushions don't just sit there, they add a 3D texture to a room that is printed pillow just can't complete with. If you are selling these, focus on the sensory experience in your product description. Now let's flip the script. The 70s are back and they are louder than ever. We are seeing a massive surge in modern retro designs. We are talking about the classic granny squares, reimagined in bold neon palette or groovy checkerboard patterns. This is the ultimate statement piece on Etsy. These are absolute magnets for Gen Z and millennial buyers. We want their home to feel like a curated vintage shop. Pro tip for the sellers: style these against a plain leather sofa in your photos. The contrast is what makes the customer click add to cart in seconds. Who says pillow has to be square? We are seeing a huge move towards sculptural crochet. From giant sunflowers and 3D roses to incredibly popular knot cushions